Hi there, I'm back with another Number Corner video, this time for January day 1. Having said that, let's go ahead and jump into our daily planner. On our planner, we have an activity for calendar grid, another for calendar collector, and an update in days in school. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at calendar grid. On calendar grid, we're going to explain to students that we don't have any cards up because we are starting a new month, and that new month is January. And January starts with a capital J and it ends with A-R-Y. Alright, we're going to then go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song once, and then we're going to begin by placing the first calendar card. And we're going to ask students, what do you notice about our first calendar card? They're going to think, pair, share, make observations, and we're going to go ahead and read to them the dialogue that is happening with the two bears. They will infer that it's Mr. Bear from December and his sibling. Once they've made that conclusion, we're going to go ahead and add the remaining calendar cards for the month, and having students make predictions about what they will see for the following day. Alright, so also I want to remind you that you're going to be placing the cards up until the 18th. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and then I'll come back. Alright, so I've gone ahead and added the calendar cards all the way to the 18th because that's the first day we start January Number Corner when we come back from winter break. So let's go ahead and look at calendar collector. For calendar collector, we're going to be collecting Unifix cubes, and this time in 3 colors, yellow, blue, and red. Having said that, we're going to go ahead and show students that those Unifix cubes are inside our mystery box. Specifically, we have 10 of each color. So we're going to pull those out and show them that sure enough, we have 10 in blue, we have 10 in yellow, and 10 in red as we quarterly count them together as a class. Once we've done that, we're going to place them back into the container, and we're going to then have a helper help us spin our spinner. I landed on the 5, and I'm going to have the helper pull 5 cubes and place them on their corresponding mat. I have a red mat, a blue mat, and a yellow mat. Alright, so let's demonstrate that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have how many yellow? 1 yellow cube. So I color that in my record sheet. How many blue do I have? 3. So I colored that into our record sheet next. 3 cubes. And how many red cubes do I have? Just 1. So I'm going to color only 1 red cube. Once I've done that, I'm going to then go ahead and introduce the idea of most and least. We're going to have a quick little discussion asking students, which one do I have the most of, which one do I have the least of. Alright, once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and place those into our red pocket chart under week 1. Now let's go ahead and move into our Days in School update. For Days in School, I'm going to get started by asking students, if I add 1 more dot, how many will I have? And remind them to show you with their fingers. They should show you 6. We're going to have a helper add that dot. And we're going to repeat the same process with the links, adding 1 more. Finally, asking them, how many dots do I need to make 10? They will then show you again with their fingers, and it should be 4. We will then quarterly count the total. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 76. How many days have we been in school? 76. Alright, let's get started with the links. The same thing, counting the total amount. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76. How many days have we been in school? 76. And we annotate that onto our number line. Alright, so I hope you found these activities helpful, and until next time, bye!